In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who unsubscribed on ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. As a content creator or business owner, knowing who unsubscribes from your email list can be incredibly valuable. It helps you understand your audience better and adjust your strategies if needed. So let's go through this step by step. First, log into your ConvertKit account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the subscribers option on the left-hand sidebar. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can see all your current subscribers listed. This is a great place to understand who is engaging with your emails and who may have opted to unsubscribe. Now, to find out who has unsubscribed, you will need to click on the Unsubscribed tab. This will filter your subscribers to show only those who have opted out of your email list. You'll see their names and the email addresses of people who have decided to leave. As you go through this list, remember that it's completely normal for people to unsubscribe. It doesn't necessarily mean they didn't like your content. Often, they may be decluttering their inbox or feeling overwhelmed by email marketing in general. You might notice some key information next to each unsubscribed name, such as the date they unsubscribed. This can help you identify if there was a particular campaign or email that perhaps led to an increase in unsubscribes. For example, if you notice a spike after sending out a specific newsletter, it might be worth revisiting the content of that email to see how you can improve it in the future. Next, you can even dive deeper into your subscriber metrics by going back to the subscribers page. From there, look for the option that allows you to segment your subscribers. This feature can assist you in understanding your audience better and strategizing for future campaigns. If you'd like to reach out to these subscribers who have left, it's crucial to tread carefully. You wouldn't want to spam them with unwanted emails. Instead, consider sending a survey via another channel, perhaps on social media, asking for feedback on why they chose to unsubscribe. This can provide you with valuable insights. Also, take a moment to reflect on the content you're providing. Are you delivering value with your emails? Regularly ask yourself if your content aligns with your audience's interests. One effective way to keep your list clean and engaged is by asking for confirmation through a double opt-in process when they first subscribe. This ensures that those who are on your list genuinely want to be there. Before we wrap up, remember that ConvertKit offers amazing tools to keep your email list healthy. Utilize tags and segmenting features to group subscribers based on their engagement and interests. This tactic can drastically reduce the number of unsubscribes in the long run, as you'll be sending more relevant content to your audience. So, to sum it up, check your Unsubscribe tab regularly to understand who is opting out of your email list. Analyze the data, learn from your audience's preferences, and engage with your remaining subscribers in a meaningful way. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips on managing your email campaigns effectively. Until next time, happy emailing!